হ্যালো স্টুডেন্টস অ্যান্ড ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক অন মাই ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। আজকে আমি তোমাদের ষষ্ঠ শ্রেণীর ইংরেজির রিপ ভ্যান উইঙ্কেল চ্যাপ্টারটি থেকে সমস্ত কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সারগুলি আলোচনা করব, যেটি তোমাদের ফাইনাল পরীক্ষার জন্য অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। চলো ভিডিওটা শুরু করা যাক। দ্য স্ট্রেঞ্জার ওয়ান্টেড টু অ্যাসিস্ট রিপ, এটা ফলস হয়ে যাবে। হি মেড সাইন্স ফর রিপ টু অ্যাসিস্ট হিম উইথ দ্য লোড, অলওয়েজ হেল্পফুল রিপ ডিড সো, রিপেই তাকে সাহায্য করেছিল। অল দ্য স্ট্রেঞ্জার্স হ্যাড বিয়ার্ডস, তো এটা ট্রু হয়ে যাবে। সাপোর্টিং স্টেটমেন্ট, they all had beards of various shapes and colors. Next, Rip felt very thirsty, এটা true হয়ে যাবে। Feeling thirsty, he had several drinks himself. Next, Rip saw that his village had become smaller, তো এটা false হয়ে যাবে। Supporting statement, he saw his village was now larger with more people. Next, how did the stranger look? The stranger looked peculiar. One had a large head, broad face, and small piggy's eyes. What happened after Rip had drunk the liquid? Rip fell into a deep sleep. Why was Rip surprised when he came near the village? As Rip came near his village, he met many people he had never seen before. What did Rip suddenly notice? Rip suddenly noticed that his beard had grown a foot long. He saw his village was now larger with more people. There were rows of houses which he had never seen before. Activity 6, cause and effect. Soon attracted the attraction of people. Cause key, Rip had a long beard and wore a peculiar dress. Rip's heart died away. Rip found himself alone in the world. Rip understood that this was his son. Cause, Rip was a fellow who looked exactly like his previous self. All stood amazed. Cause, an old woman said that Rip Van Winkle had been her father. Next, what attracted the attraction of the people when Rip entered the village? Rip had his long beard and peculiar dress. What did Rip learn about Nicholas Vedder? Nicholas Vedder is dead and now gone for these 18 years. Who looked exactly like Rip's previous self? Rip's son looked exactly like his previous self. How long did 20 years seem to Rip? 20 years seem to Rip as one night. 100 rupees is too much for this item. The accountant and the cashier have absconded. Time and tide waits for none. Either he or I am mistaken. The ship with its crew was delayed. এই ছিল ক্লাস 6 এর রিপ ভ্যান উইঙ্কেলের সমস্ত প্রশ্ন উত্তর। See you in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching.